Thank you 啦，Lowsutea President。今日咧就 we will have a really interesting, actually a very good lunch or dinner dish for you because it's actually called a cauliflower cheese mac. Now, certainly a lot of people say, wow, macaroni mac will be good, but this is cauliflower cheese mac, so it is very different because we don't have the starchy macaroni. It's only the cauliflower. It's about 10 gram carb, so it's a very delicious dish and it's easy to make. Let me go. 我Angela 啊 ，Hello， 今日咧做一個好特別嘅東西咧，就係椰菜花 macaroni 咧。應該人哋話唔係喎，我而家係椰菜花 cheese 嘅好靚嘅 dish。咁可以晏晝得，晚黑得，dinner 又得，好容易做嘅啫。嗱，首先咧，第一你一定要有個椰菜花啦，呢個咁嘅椰菜花一嚿咁講啦。So you have a one head of cauliflower. So you just cut it and make it like a small piece like that and put it into the microwave for about 5 minutes and let it, cook it. Very simple. Then in the sense that you put some ham, about 100 grams of hams, or I use bacon today. So 你可以用100個 gram 嘅 ham 或者 bacon 啦。咁然後咧就一個細嘅 onion， 咁呢個細 onion， 依家我想咧就係 brown 嘅 onion 啦。其實我已經 brown 咗嗰個bacon 㗎啦。I already browned the bacon, so it's easy to make. So a small onion and 300 ml, and this is a 300 ml of heavy cream. This is a 300 ml heavy cream, and then 150 gram of cheddar cheese, 150 gram of butter. This is bit butter. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of salt, and then you have 1 teaspoon of pepper and paprika. This is paprika. So first, I'm gonna go through with the onions. So brown it first, and very easy to do. Just brown. I put some olive oil. 咁啊，首先咧我就俾啲 onion 咧 brown 咗先，好簡單，啲 onion 白咗就得㗎啦。咁然後咧so you just stir fry the onion until it's gonna turn white and it is almost white. Okay, so it's very easy. And then you can actually, what I do is I will just dump this inside here and just cook a little more. Actually stir the bacon a bit already, so this just further to stir fry a little bit more. Wow, it's so nice. It's very wow, delicious. It's already smelled good. Yes. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, here we go. So good. Excellent. So anyway, so now let it simmer a bit more and we can able to, okay, pretty much. Now we'll go put it onto the dish already. Okay, we'll cook it later again. Okay, here we go. Okay, now the next step we'll do is we'll be making the sauce, the cheese sauce. So we're gonna get the cheese sauce. So the fire is slightly on the high side. We'll lower the fire. So we put the butter in, and so now we're gonna make cheese sauce. And then we're gonna put the paprika. We're gonna put the paprika down. Go inside paprika. And then the garlic powder, and the salt and pepper inside. Oh, it's really nice. Then what we'll do is we put the cream, the 300 ml of heavy cream. Okay, so we just slowly put the cream sauce on. See how easy to do. Okay, we'll stir a bit. And now what we'll do later, after stir real well, then we will, next step is we're gonna put onto my cheese in there. So let it boil a little bit. Okay. So now I'm going to put the cheese inside to make sure that it starts slowly making the sauce, the whole thing go in there. Is that easy? So all you do is just slowly do the thing. It's very easy to do. Okay, wow, the cheese sauce looking super good. Okay, and you gotta get the cheese to be all melted. 嗱，要個 cheese 一焗嘅時候咧，就會令到成個即係 sauce 咧，要所有芝士溶晒，咁先係 OK 嘅喎。咁你睇即係應該就好 creamy 嘅最後嗱，越整越 creamy 啦，因為搞下搞下你可以睇到咧，就啲 cheese 咧就十分 creamy 啊，咁嗰啲嘢咧就可以能夠可以開始慢慢煮得好熟，同埋咧就啲cheese 咧又可以撈得好勻，最緊要撈得勻啊！ So you have to mix the cheese well. So easy to make. It's very easy to make. And so, okay, looking good. Okay, so you see how nice? Very good. Beautiful. Wow, the cheese are getting there. Okay, now it's getting to very creamy. It used to be very watery, right? 依家就好 creamy 啦，睇到啊？咁咧你就可以將呢啲嘢咧係倒晒落去。Okay, so now because it's all creamy, cheesy, the sauce looking good. So now I'm going to get this into also the inside there, looking good. Okay, now I'm going to put the cauliflower in there too. 咁啊，依家你睇下成個 cheese 好靚仔啊！咁啊，我就 put 個 cauliflower in there 啦。依家大家睇下，好。嗱，咁點解咧？煮實晒，俾晒之後咧，咁然後咧就擺個 sauce 落去。好啊，咁啊好簡單。You see, you make sure mix it well. Okay, you see how nice? Oh man, it's good. This is really beautiful. Okay, wow, this is wonderful. It's very looking delicious. You see, everything really get together. You can actually eat it right away before baking, but you have to bake it to make it even nicer. Make it one more step. You see, make a bake. Wow, this is so nice. This is great stuff. Oh wow, this is. Whoa, man, this is, wow, I'm hungry already. Wow, this is really looking very, very nice, cheesy, cauliflower macaroni, but this, not, macaroni, but it's cauliflower, so the name is kind of nice, and I think this is really, truly delicious. So, okay, now, what I would do is I transfer this into the plate. And then after that, I will have to bake it, and I'll show you what to do next step. Okay? I'll put it into the plate. 咁我而家把啲撈咗晒cheese，你幾靚仔，你睇唔睇啊 ？OK？ 咁依家咧就去放呢個咧，就喺嗰啲 cheese 咧喺嗰個上邊。OK？ 咁我哋嗱 put 到晒啦，咁我依家或者閂咗相機。咁然後拎開呢個煲，呢個 pan， 咁你就可能夠睇得更加清楚。So I'm going to turn off the camera now, so we can able to see what we do next step, and so I get a little more room here. So turn off the camera right now. Okay, good. Does that look nice? So wonderful. Hi, I'm back. I took away my frying pan, so now I'm going to put some cheddar cheese in there. And this is you have 50. You have rest of the different cheddar cheese that you can sprinkle like this, and this is how you do it. You don't have to put a lot because it might be too cheesy. So it depends how you like. You want to be more cheesy, you can put more cheese. You don't need a lot of cheese, you don't have to make a lot of cheese. Okay, depends. So basically, it's already very cheesy. I actually take a little bit, and that's it. And that's all you do. This is good stuff. So now then, what I will next step is I will do a little Italian seasoning. Okay, Italian season. Just come through here and make it more tasty. Okay, it's done. Now we're gonna bring it to the oven to bake it 10 to 15 minutes. 200 degrees C or 390 degree Fahrenheit。咁依家咧我就拎去 oven 嗰度焗咧10至15分鐘，係200度 C 或者係390度 Fahrenheit。咁依間再見你。Hi, Angela, I'm back. Guess what? The oven just a ding and came out just like this. You see how beautiful that is? Wow! 我啱啱喺個 oven 攞翻出嚟咧就好正，出嚟嘅效果係好睇嘅。咁我依家試下 how does it taste like? Wow! Look at this. This is the cauliflower. 呢個就係椰菜花，好多芝士，大約10 gram 到，好食。試下先啊！ So I will try this, and instead of your typical macaroni cheese. But this is not macaroni, this is cauliflower. Wow, it will be made different because it was 10 gram carbs. Okay, let's see. Very cheesy, very delicious. Wow. It's probably one of the best cheese cauliflower I ever ate. It is very delicious, very cheesy, very smooth. It's just wonderful. So here you go. This is a wonderful dish for lunch or dinner, and you eat it together with all the other salad or so. Wow, this is a good recipe. So have fun, enjoy. I will see you next week.